Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a GIF in Davinci Resolve Studio. This is a fantastic way to turn your video clips into looping animated images that you can share on social media or use in your projects. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Davinci Resolve application. Once you're in, you'll see several tabs at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on Edit. This is where you'll be working with your video clips and making all the necessary adjustments before exporting your GIF. Now, once you're in the Edit tab, locate the video clip you want to turn into a GIF on your timeline. Right-click on this clip, and from the menu that appears, select Change Clip Speed. This option lets you control how fast or slow your clip plays, which is crucial for creating the perfect looping effect. A dialog box will pop up where you can adjust the speed percentage. For this example, let's set it to 400%, which will make your clip play 4 times faster than its original speed. Once you've entered your desired speed, click Change to apply it. This faster speed often works well for GIFs since they're meant to be short and snappy. Next, we need to create a duplicate of this clip to set up a seamless loop. Click on the video clip to select it, then hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, drag the clip to the right. This action creates a copy of your clip right next to the original on your timeline, making it easy to work with both versions together. Now comes the fun part. Right-click on this duplicate clip you just created, and again select Change Clip Speed from the menu. This time, you'll see a checkbox labeled Reverse Speed. Go ahead and check this box. This reverses the playback direction of your duplicate clip, which creates that smooth back and forth looping effect that makes GIFs so captivating. Click Change to confirm this setting. With your clip set up perfectly, it's time to export your creation as a GIF. Click on the Deliver tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where Davinci Resolve handles all export and rendering tasks. On the left side of the Deliver page, you'll see various export options. Look for the section labeled Format and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, change the format to GIF. This tells the software to export your video as an animated image file instead of a standard video format. Right below the format option, you'll find resolution settings. Here you can adjust the dimensions of your GIF depending on where you plan to use it. Smaller resolutions work better for quick loading on websites, while larger ones maintain more detail. Choose what works best for your needs. Once you've got everything configured just right, click Add to Render Queue. This queues up your GIF for export, and from here you can click Start Render to create your final file. And that's it, you've successfully created a looping GIF in Davinci Resolve Studio. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.